In the undulating landscapes of 11th century North Africa, a figure emerged whose journey from the rugged Atlas Mountains to the corridors of power would shape the course of Islamic history. Yusuf ibn Tashfin, a visionary leader and founder of the Almoravid dynasty, not only conquered territories, but also etched his name in the annals of time as an architect of unity, a patron of knowledge, and a beacon of tolerance. His story unfolds as a mesmerizing tapestry, weaving together military prowess, diplomatic finesse, and a profound commitment to the flourishing of intellect and culture. As we traverse the historical sands that once witnessed the rise of Yusuf ibn Tashfin, the echo of his legacy resonates through the ages. Beyond the conquests and battles, his life illuminates a path of unity, enlightenment, and tolerance. From the sun-soaked battle of Sagrajas to the vibrant halls of Marrakech, Yusuf's imprint endures as a testament to the convergence of diverse facets that define the richness of Islamic civilization. Through this captivating chapter, we glimpse not just a leader, but a visionary whose legacy transcends time, an inspiration for those who seek to navigate the complex tapestry of human history.